welcome to the 6th day of Vlogoween. Everybody, go wish my best friend, the Real Cat Sketch, a happy birthday. It is her birthday today. You guys, today we are going to be doing some sassy swamp family mail, but we're going to be opening 4 very special boxes today. These are the last of the 90s mystery boxes that you guys have sent in. I'm so excited to get to them. I very recently opened up the 90s special sassy swamp family mail on my second channel, Banana Peppers, but I thought, hey, let's do some here today. Also, I'm panicked about the super long project I talked to you guys about 2 days ago. I'm still not done with that yet. Yikes. The other quick announcement I just wanted to make, I've gotten so many amazing submissions from you guys already, but at this email address, I am accepting Swamp Family story submissions of true scary stories. We are gonna have a spooky night on this channel. We're gonna do like Midnight Society, true scary story, Swamp Family edition. It's gonna be fun. So if you have a true scary story, it can be like a let's not meet or a paranormal thing or anything that is scary and horrifying, submit it to this email address and you might see this story, you might see your story featured on this channel. Anyway, I've run out of knives. So we're gonna try and cut these boxes open today with a hook, which is kind of spooky in and of itself. You guys know that story about like the hook in the side of the car? If you know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I sound like a raving lunatic. Anyway, box number 1 comes from an Idaho friend. Ooh, mysterious. It says, really hope you like the contents. They are sent with love. I got the mail, the sassy mail, the sassy mail. Am I gonna be able to hook open a box? Come on, hook. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna pry it open with my teeth. Luckily, I found a toe knife, so I was able to cut open this box. So this box comes from Donna. Let's see what's on top. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful dress. I do remember things being so embellished like this in the 90s. We have beads and tiny mirrors, seafoam green color. I'm like just tripping on this chair. I feel like we don't need chairs today. Ooh, what is this? Look, I'm like, business. Yes. What is my business? Let's open the briefcase and find out. Can you imagine? I'm just a door-to-door salesman for whatever the contents of this box is. Oh, door-to-door salesman of cassette tapes. Can I interest you in a little Bon Jovi? How about Lynyrd Skynyrd's First and Last? Or how about Babies? The Babies? Who are the Babies? I've never heard of you babies. Also, it looks like we just have some mystery tapes in here. Do you guys remember the time that I was gonna like go to the thrift store and just buy mystery unlabeled cassette tapes and listen to them? Find out what's on them? That sounds like the beginning of every great horror movie ever. Next, we've got, oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is it? This snaps into this. Yes, I see it now. Oh my God, it's a portable DVD player. Yes, oh, is there a DVD inside? Let's find out. Nope, we load our own. How is this technology so foreign to me now? It's a sign of the times. Or that I'm stupid. We've got a remote control. Oh my God, look, now I can do the pause challenge. We've got a tin. Sounds exciting. There's just eyeballs inside of it. That would be fun, honestly. Ooh, we got paper. Oh my gosh, it's not eyeballs. It's beads. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Oh, there's a bunch in there like this. Well, I want to sew this onto a jacket. That's how pretty it is. I love that. There was a thing wrapped in paper. Oh, it's in plastic. What is it? It's, oh my God, I'm Visco now. We've got a scrunchie. Oh, this one's beautiful. And we have some jewelry. I had this. Oh, I had this in the 90s. Yes, I did. And I wore it all summer to the public swimming pool. Those were the times. Oh, we've got Jenga. Look, normally we're doing this with the mail, but we've got Jenga. And we've got other things wrapped in paper. They were wrapped in paper. Look at his, I love his sweet, innocent smile. That is the look of pure goodness. Thank you, Donna. No need to hook this box because I already started cutting it open. So these actually might not be the last 4 90s boxes because some of them didn't say 90s on the outside, but when I opened it, it said 90s on the inside. This one comes from Tinley, and see, when I opened it, it said, guess what? You guys can't read this, but it's too heavy. Guess what? Another 90s mystery box. This letter says open before, and this letter says open after I open the box. Open before I open the box. No, open as soon as I open the box. Open before looking in the box. That statement makes so much more sense than like open before you open the box. Like with my mind, I'm like sucking out all the information. Also, I just rubbed my foundation all over this envelope. Somebody send help. I need it today. I need it every day. Oh, am I kidding? What do you think is inside this box? Right on top, we've got paper. And oh my God. Oh, I'm a champion at this. Just watch me bop it. Watch me. Is there batteries? Speak to me, bop it. I always liked when it said pull it and it was like, speak to me, bop it. Oh, I can't bop it. I'm a bop it champion though. What is this? It's an egg that says 16 on it. Happy 16th birthday. Oh, you're so cute. What are you? What are you? Oh my God. Do you guys remember this fabric in the 90s? I used to be entranced by this stuff. It's like slightly soft, slightly shiny. And he's my phone ringing. He's a triceratoptal. Dinotopia. I should probably answer that. Tell me your name, a young child. What is it? Pokewig. Yes, a Pokewig? Was this something Dinotopia? Oh my God, he's so cute though. Hello, friend. Hello, Dinotopia Pokewig. Oh, he looks like he's alive. Either that or I haven't slept enough. I don't know what this is. Pocket Repeat? Oh my gosh, it's from Radio Shack. You guys, I wish I had some batteries on hand so that we could play these. I think that this is like Simon Says, but Radio Shack version. Oh my gosh, we have a Skechers Etch-a-Sketch keychain. Look at that. I really admire the people that can like draw the Mona Lisa on an Etch-a-Sketch. I'm like, how do you get those skills? Like, how do you just know that you can do that? Oh my God, I see a Tamagotchi. It's Tamagotchi Connection, and it looks like it has SpongeBob flowers on it. You know what I mean? We've got a bag that says, for you. Oh, it's like a pile of precious artifacts. That is so pretty. It's like a heart that is a green stone. We've got dolphins that are tangled in a net. We've got flip-flops. Look at that. I love it. We've got, oh, what is a Tiger Quiz Whiz? I want to play this. It looks like it comes with some cartridges and everything. I never had this. So it comes with general knowledge and it comes with dinosaurs, book 22. So it's like, no. Oh, that's how they tell you. Oh my God. Okay, a memory has emerged. What was this called? A Quiztron? I had this toy, I think it was like more in the late 80s and I loved it. And it was like a red pen and you did these like educational things and it would beep. We've got a sack of, is this baby clothes? Oh my God, look at that. Is this for an American Girl doll? I always wanted one of those, but I never had them because I felt like they were like so expensive. We've got hats. Oh, these are, I would wear these. We got headbands. I would wear this. Oh my God, look at this. This is so cute. I wish I was Sabrina the Teenage Witch so that I could just go bling and then like make it my size. Totally awesome stickers. These are totally awesome. Oh my gosh, I love these. They remind me of like Delia's designs. Paperclip jewelry? Look at that. I literally want to make that right now. I should do a live stream in which I like try and make paperclip jewelry. All right, the last couple things are more books. I love these and I have not done one in forever. They're like the adult coloring books, but I just love coloring in like geometric designs. I feel like it's like really calming. Origami on board the Titanic. That's somewhere I don't want to be, no offense. National Geographics. These are so cute. I never knew that these existed. These like super thin little, they kind of remind me of, was it called Zoo Books? And then we have interactive art instruction book with a built-in easel and a bunch of watercolors down here. Thank you so much, Tinley. That was a very fun 90s box. All right, you guys, 2 boxes left. This one comes from Shannon. So let me find the toe knife and then we can sing the Sassy Mail song. I got the mail. The mail. The Sassy Mail. The Sassy Mail. It's Vlogoween. I had to give you guys just a little bit of nightmare fuel. Ripping. Trying to rip. I need to work out, you guys. Look at this arm strength that I'm lacking. Ooh, we have paper, 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 paper. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, is this laser printer paper? Oh, wait, I remember this. Is this the things with the holes on the side? Do you guys remember when you had to like thread paper through? Oh no, oh my God. Look at this. This is what I'm gonna write letters back to you guys on for a very, very long time. Look, I love this design. Look, so 90s. And we have something else wrapped in paper. And I was going like that, so I'm so glad I didn't throw this out. Oh, he's a little bear. A little striped, who's? Strawberry. Strawberry 39. That sounds like a really good Instagram name. Strawberry 39. He smells really good too. Ooh, 98 champs. Who is Bambino? Oh, Daryl Strawberry. He's a baseball player. How do I not know this? Also, how could I possibly know that? It says a whole llama love on the front. Thank you so much again, Shannon. All right, the last box down here that you can't see. It's a very heavy one. I would pick it up, but once again, very heavy. No upper body strength. This is all it's just sugar and frappuccinos at this point. Look at what I just found. Now that I have 1 box left. You guys, come January, how many times have I said this? Come January, I'm gonna find some organization. I'm gonna find it and I'm going to apply its practices to my life. I considered hiring a professional organizer, but every time I actually like process the thought of doing that, I do throw up in my mouth a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna be so excited with the contents of this, and I feel like it is very apropos for October. So this is from Jennifer and Ruth, and they send their love from Phoenix, Arizona. Look at what is in here. This one has a note on top. It says, this one was and will always be my favorite Goosebumps book. It's Vampire Breath. I feel like I should actually read this one now. I don't remember this one. I remember there used to be I don't remember what this bookstore was called. Walden Books maybe, but it was in the mall. And I just remember it was like such a huge treat whenever like my parents would take me to the mall and I could pick out books, because I was so into books when I was a little kid. So I was like always so excited for like book fairs and going to the bookstore. But I remember they would like take me to the mall and then I would get to pick out a Goosebumps book, and it was like so much fun. So this is Horrorland. This is so hilarious because they are a photographer. So they especially love this cover of the skeleton photographer. Say cheese and die. I definitely remember this one. Be careful what you wish for. That is so cool. I had no idea. I thought that this was a book, but it's a journal, and it actually has like writing prompts inside of it, which is so neat. Look at that. They're like, write your own terrifying story. Oh, I love when these look like this. They're like the library book hardback version. Welcome to Dead House, Monster Blood. I definitely remember this one, My Hairiest Adventure, A Night in Terror Tower, Monster Blood 3, A Shocker on Shock Street, and How I Got My Shrunken Head. Some choose your own adventure ones. Oh my gosh. 30 Tales to give you goosebumps. I think that this is like a bunch of them combined into one big giant Goosebumps book. But Thank you so much to Jennifer and Ruth. Oh my gosh, my hair. I lost my hair tie. I literally have one on my wrist. Where could my hair tie be? Thank you guys so much to everybody who has submitted a 90s box over the years. I almost feel like we've been doing these 90s editions since 2017. It has been so much fun. It's been a journey. It's been an adventure. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all again tomorrow for the next episode of Vlogoween.